Joely, do you think I'm ugly? When I was a kid, I used to think I am. Sometimes I feel फिर से भूल गई यार मैं.
It's a tough script. You'll figure it out.
नहीं हो पाएगा यार मुझसे. 5 लाइनें याद नहीं हो पा रही हैं.
Maybe you can do some different monologue. That's fine, I guess.
आज के साथ डेट पे ही चली जाती. कम से कम मूवी तो मिल जाती. Fucking.
Do you need food?
I just want to be alone right now.
That's fine. Do you need something? Should I bring you something from the kitchen or something?
Can you leave me alone for a while? I just want to be alone.
Just a second. I mean, I can just. I need to take this. I'll just get back. Hello. Yes, Kritika. I'm on vacation. Yeah, Kritika. Yes, Kritika. You're leaving? What? Why did you stop? आपने भी रोक दिया.
ऐसी हिमांशी से बात हुई?
She's recording now, at least. So, I think there's progress, but
Did you tell her not to think about the past?
of course, that's the first thing I did, but
क्या हुआ?
Himanshi, she's been so down since she came.
professional issues.
Is there anything I can do to help?
You don't trust me? You don't trust me, boss? But she said she needs some space, so we're doing that right now. I think that's the best.
Okay.
I'll let you know if you can help, I guess.
Guys, I need to take a call.
Work call.
He's unemployed, but technically it is a work call. Yeah, his boyfriend is on work call.
Hey! Hi. What's up? Nothing, Inayat was playing some tunes and Aman as usual, random. Yeah. In 30 minutes? Okay. Okay, love you. No, you hang up. No, you. Yeah.
Dax.
और कौन भाई?
मैं इसको सूटकेस में ले आते कभी.
चेप. चिपकू तो है थोड़ा सा वो.
Do you think you can move here?
क्या इस घर में?
ये मतलब पहाड़ों में in general.
No scene.
Oh.
I mean, कुछ थोड़ी सी नॉइज चाहिए होती है मुझे आफ्टर टाइम. ज़्यादा ही शांति है यहाँ.
I get it.
फ्लो बहुत अच्छा है.
Thank you.
Aman classic. What about you?
Oh, yeah. Totally, dude. I actually think I should.
क्या शांति चाहिए?
The voices are too loud. But yeah, man, I need some peace right now.
एक और रोल करेगा?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Are you thinking of talking to Himanshi trip पे?
No.
Gay. खत्म ही हो गया.
That's homophobic.
I can say that. I can say that.
Of course.
Right?
Yeah.
बुझ गया I think.
दक्ष को कॉल कर ले यार, टाइम हो गया था.
हिमांशी,
Hi, Inayat.
डिनर करोगी?
Come inside, no?
आ जाओ नीचे, फिर किचन क्लोज कर देंगे.
Is it okay if I eat in here only?
Come down ना.
I really don't feel like seeing anyone right now.
ओके, ठीक है, I get it. मैं लेके आती हूँ.
Thank you.
पर तुम ठीक हो? ये देखो, कल तोड़े थे मैंने.
How did you press them so fast?
मैजिक. मैं लाती हूँ. ओके.
कुछ नहीं हुआ, इनायत थी. What? वो लड़की है.
I wanna sleep. I wanna sleep with her.
तो वो मॉन्स्टर्स नहीं है सर.
चुड़ैल बोलिए सर, चुड़ैल. मॉन्स्टर्स वगैरह अमेरिका की पैदाइश है.
चुड़ैल is so negative. They're protective spirits, my lord.
But you said they were killed
Yes, by their men.
and then they returned.
हाँ,
पर भूत प्रेत का तो ऐसे ही चलता है ना सिस्टम. Go through that आराम से.
तुम रहने दो.
इतनी जल्दी हार मान ली.
I'm just giving up.
I think I can become a lawyer.
क्यों, बहुत जेलस हो रहे हो अमन की लाइफस्टाइल देख के?
अमन से.
I'm relieved that I'm coming out. Hi.
Hello. Good morning, sleepyhead.
No, I was up only.
Oh, okay. I got you coffee. I got you un cafe. Just the way you, sorry, just the way you like it.
Thank you for the coffee.
You're welcome. What's up? How are you?
Been better.
You're welcome.
आपका ही आशीर्वाद है सर.
Yeah. I'm sorry. What? Do you want to do anything? Movie देख ली? You want to go downstairs? Inayat is playing something.
I'm not sure.
Do you? I guess it's a no for a trek.
You're correct.
Do you? Do you still want to be alone? I mean, that's also fine too. They're dirty, but that's not how.
तेरे nails paint करता है.
Oh, this is insane.
है ना? मैं बहुत आती हूँ उधर.
I mean, wow.
पता है, 10-20 साल में ये पूरा खत्म हो जाएगा.
Corporates, I assume.
Yeah, but too many culprits in the forest.
Do you think tourism is killing Himachal?
She's ruining my life. That's fine. That's what jobs do, I guess.
They don't have to. But I get it.
This looks so bad.
ढंग से देखो.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Okay.
तो कल मेरी बुराई किससे कर रहे थे आप?
मैं बुराई? मैं किससे बुराई कर रहा था?
अरे कल रात को फोन पे.
Oh, Daksh. हाँ, he was worried that I'll cheat on him because you love me.
Good. People should fear me.
क्यों तुम छुड़ैल हो?
अरे ये देखो.
Oh, nice. You can press it.
Do you think you can move here?
मैं पहाड़ों में.
इनायत जैसे?
Maybe. क्यों? मेरा एक्टिंग करियर पे ऑलरेडी गिव अप कर दिया तुमने.
नहीं, I'm sorry. I was just asking.
I know. तुम?
I think I should.
मैं तो कह रही हूँ फॉर्म छोड़ दो.
नहीं छोड़ सकता मैं, but you see all the calls I've been getting on vacation. When I'm in there among those people, it's like my mind is screaming constantly and there's no relief. There's never any relief.
Understand.
But sorry?
I said I can understand.
You can't.
Your chance.
तुम्हें अमन पसंद नहीं है ना? Zaza, Zaza, Nastana de Zaza. Spirit of the Black Realm arise. Breath of the
What the fuck is going on outside?
Are they moving in circles?
Yeah.
कुछ स्कूल टाइम का रिचुअल है इन लोग का.
What? बड़ा disturbing ritual है.
ये लोग भी तो डिस्टर्ब्ड है.
रुको मैं लेके आती हूँ इनको.
Zaza, Zaza, Nastana de Zaza. Spirit of the Black Realm arise. Blood of the firstborn, breath of the void, speak to us in forbidden tongues. अबे यार मुश्किल से हुआ था, थोड़ा सा फ्लो बैठा था. अरे बात हिमांशी, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ नेकलेस तो बहुत सोहना लगदा पिया है.
भाई तू ट्राई मत किया कर. बोला है ना मैंने.
Do you believe tourism is killing Himachal? Do you believe tourism is killing Himachal?
I guess.
I'm thinking of writing a book on this. मतलब I'm still working on it. तो
Sure.
Ronak,
Hi.
what happened? Did you need anything?
नहीं. Thanks, sir. I'm okay.
What's up?
Ushe, what's up with you?
Daksh से बात हुई?
हाँ.
कैसा है वो?
He said that I wasn't there for him. I kind of left him alone. That's what he said.
But you couldn't have known.
पता नहीं यार. Technically, मुझे तो पता था ना that his situation is not okay. तो I could have stayed. मैं यहाँ ना आता तो शायद इतनी प्रॉब्लम ही ना होती. पता नहीं, छोड़ो, देखा जाएगा.
How are you?
Sorry. Okay.
Are you okay?
पता नहीं, I feel like I disappointed him so much. मतलब कोई इंसान इतना गलत भी कैसे कर सकता है? I mean, I remember how I was and seeing myself now. I don't know, I'm just blabbering at this point. क्या?
I don't know. It's not my position to say.
नहीं, please go on.
Yeah, I don't get it. Why are you with him?
I don't know, my boyfriend is making me act so gay right now.
No. Don't mask it with humor right now.
नहीं, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm actually fine. You know, I sometimes feel अभी जैसे चीज़ें stable हो जाएंगी, he'll be better, no? Then I'll mostly end things with him. That's the plan.
Okay. As you say.
Are you pretending to quit smoking by any chance?
I guess I'm not pretending anymore.
Yes, Kritika. Yeah, but I'm on vacation, right? Yeah, Kritika. No, I get that.
यार हिमांशी,
हाँ?
गेम कितना क्रेजी है ना?
बेसिक सा तो गेम है.
नहीं, I mean, like सारे टाइम पे लैडर्स मिलते हैं. और इन जनरल हम भी उम्मीद करके चलते हैं, लाइक वी बैंक ऑन टू होप कि हमें लैडर्स मिलते रहेंगे और हम आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे, राइट? क्योंकि हमने कुछ गलत थोड़ा ना करा, तो हमारे साथ गलत क्यों होगा? फिर एकदम से वो होप ही टूट जाती है.
No, the business team already has those emails, I think. But yeah, I get that. Sorry.
कि जैसे जैसे गेम आगे बढ़ेगी उतने ही डिफिकल्ट सांप मिलते रहेंगे, पर फिर भी लोग खेलते हैं नोइंग कि कितना रिस्क है. एंड एंड में तो सबसे डिफिकल्ट सांप होता है, लाइक 98 पे यू कैन सी.
Yeah. Kritik. Hello. Okay, you're big. Fuck.
सोए थे?
हाँ
कल रात को सोए थे?
हाँ, थोड़ा सा.
दिख रहा है. हुई बात दक्ष से? सीढ़ियाँ चढ़े?
चढ़ी. आई
Hello. Yeah, hi Kritik. Yeah, the reception is bad. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Kritika, I actually wanted to talk about something. Is this a good time? Mm-hmm. Okay. So for a while,
I told him that I want to end things.
फिर?
फिर सांप ने काट लिया.
सॉरी यार.
पता नहीं, आई फील आई शुड गो होम आज ही.
क्यों? अभी तो आए हैं.
आई थिंक, पता नहीं, आई थिंक उसको मेरी ज़रूरत है. आज चल जाऊँ दिल्ली.
So they are like protective spirits, ending the cycle of violence.
Yeah, exactly.
Huh?
hey,
Hi.
do you have a minute?
Yeah. What's up?
I got fired.
What?
Yeah, I tried to quit and I got fired.
I'm sorry. You want to talk about it?
I mean, I was working through vacation, but I don't want to talk about it. Uh, I, I don't think I'm in the space to talk right now.
Mm-hmm.
I need to distract myself, so can we record an audition tape? It's fine if you don't want.
Okay. Let's do it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Tippity top. I want red.
Okay, we're rolling. Himanshi? Himanshi, it's on. Okay, it's fine. We'll record another show.
What the fuck, Aman?
What?
दूर से बात नहीं होती तुमसे?
You were crying. I was just trying to comfort.
Please don't try to do anything for me. Please leave. क्या बना रहे हो?
मटर पनीर।
लुक्स डिलिशियस। रौनक के लिए?
या वो पसंद है ना वो।
या फेयरवेल
Sorry?
फूड।
या
गुस्सा हो तुम मुझसे?
not my place. No.
कभी जिंदगी में बात नहीं करोगे या फिर?
बिल्कुल। I'm not mad at you.
Doesn't look like that.
No, I'm not. No, don't. It's fine. I'm probably just anxious. I am just anxious.
About the job?
About the job thing. Probably. I'm not mad at. It's not my place to be mad at you. I'm not. No, it's fine. I'll bring it.
Fine.
I think I got it. मन ही मन की हो गई
Ah.
क्या बात है उस्ताद।
तुम्हारी वजह से मेरा भी खराब हो रहा है।
एक्चुअली आपके ना गले में सरस
Guys, food.
मटन परी कुछ साथ में तो दे।
Seems to be the season of roses all around. When are you with someone? Oh, are you waiting to be found? It seems like everyone is in their breath for company. And what night is yours? I don't suppose
कृतिका नहीं आई?
you know me. And it's no
हाँ?
surprise.
Kritika नहीं आएगी.
You got my eye.
I got fired. Yeah. I tried to quit and she fired me.
हाँ बट विल फिगर समथिंग आउट। हमारी बात तो हो ही रही थी इस बारे में।
Yeah. I won't try to kill myself over it.
What? Did you just say that? Yes, I did try to kill myself. And you know what? I was fucking unsuccessful at that also. What a fucking loser. ये चीज़ भी ढंग से नहीं कर पाई. यार सही कहते थे घर वाले कि तेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा, खाली हाथ वापस लौट आएगी रोते हुए. खाली हाथ का तो पता नहीं, लेकिन कटे हुए हाथ के साथ वापस लौट जाऊंगी ज़रूर. बचपन से यार हमेशा मीडियोकर ही रही हूँ. कुछ ऐसा किया ही नहीं कि घर वाले प्राउड हो सके. ग्रेड्स मीडियोकर, स्पोर्ट्स में मीडियोकर. I was never the popular one or the funniest. एक बार गलती से एक स्कूल प्ले में पार्टिसिपेट किया. और पहली बार लाइफ में इतने सारे लोगों ने तालियां बजाई. And it wasn't even my birthday, you know. Those fucking people, they were the ones who ruined my life. because that is when I decided कि एक्टर बनना है यार, बॉम्बे जाना है, द सिटी ऑफ फकिंग ड्रीम्स. तो गई मैं बॉम्बे, पढ़ाई, शहर, घर बार सब कुछ छोड़ के बॉम्बे पहुंच गई. तो वहाँ जाके पता चला कि यहाँ तो बहुत स्ट्रगल है डूड, कंपटीशन ही कंपटीशन. तो की मेहनत, दिए ऑडिशंस, ली क्लासेस, की वर्कशॉप्स, डे जॉब्स की ताकि रेंट भर पाओ. क्या क्या नहीं किया. एंड जैसे ही होप हारने वाली थी, I got one film. I finally got one film. And I got my hopes up high. I was really happy. Finally, all this mehnat paid off. Rehearsals were, and while the rehearsals were going on, this fucking producer asked me out. And I said no. I said no, and just like that, I was out of the movie. My dream project for which I worked for, I was out. Because it was never really about my talent. I was just an object of desire for them. For all of them. So many men. And you know what, Aman? You will hate this, but तुम में और उनमें ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं है. So stop with this pretense of friendship. I know you like me. And it's okay. Trust me, it's okay. But the fact that you think that I owe you something because you're nice to me, that's pathetic. That's pathetic. Why did you bring me here? Right when I was so vulnerable, this hill station, trying to be close to me, despite me asking you to fuck off. What was all of it about? Aman, you're not as nice as you think you are, and I'm not as bechari as you think I am. So please stop and don't call me your friend. मुझे जब तक अपना दोस्त मत बताना, जब तक तुम्हें दोस्ती निभानी ना है.
I'm sorry if I made you feel like
Aman.
I was. What did you know?
Leave. Just leave.
आप तो आते रहोगे यहाँ, आई नो।
हाँ मैं तो 2-3 महीने में शिफ्ट भी हो जाऊँगा।
अभी तो दक्ष की आदत लगी है।
वी थिंकिंग ऑफ गिविंग इट अ ट्राई, देखते हैं।
ख्याल रखना।
खेलो अपनी सांप सीढ़ी अब जाके वापस।
खेलूँगा You'll be okay, right?
Should be.
हिमांशी, जा ना
No,
गुस्सा।
please, I hate it.
अच्छा फिर तुम ये सुनो। जान गई तो पता चला हरी तसाला चोर बड़ा।
हरी कौन है?
था एक चोर।
Okay.
जान गई तो पता चला हरी तसाला चोर बड़ा। जान गई तो पता चला हरी तसाला चोर बड़ा। जान गई तो पता चला
हरी मसाला चोर बड़ा।
जान गई तो पता चला हरी तसाला चोर बड़ा।
जान गई तो पता चला अमन मसाला चोर बड़ा।
जान गई तो पता चला अमन तसाला चोर बड़ा। जान गई तो पता चला हर्ष
मसाला चोर